What's up, everyone? Today we are going to play some Subway Surfers, and I'm going to play with him. So let's begin. I'm just going to buy more. So let's begin. So I like playing this game a lot, and I just like it because I just want to play it. And I play lots of times this game because it's really cool. And we are going to get the word bike, if you guys see that. So I just need the E, and then I can get the special box. And this place is called Hawaii. And I found now the word daily challenge complete. I'm just gonna run on and on till I get to the end. So guys, we are now by a very high score now. So I've been playing for very long now. You can see my score is a little higher now. So we are just like playing on. I keep on wasting boards. It's very not cool. I just want to go fast. Get lots of money. If you guys don't know, I didn't film that right now. I got like a couple of minutes ago a golden box and not a regular one. So yeah. I'm really good at this game actually. I don't know why I'm using so much keys, but yeah. I think I'm just gonna crash here right now. So yeah, because I'm getting very bored of this now. So it's this crash right after this. I'm gonna do it there. Not gonna use any more keys. So let's get my stuff. Got the golden prize. Okay, that's fine. One key. Rare still. So I got really nice scores. So thanks for watching, guys.